Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAK57, and today I have for you a quick review of a few different Madam Glam's polishes and one alcohol ink. The first one here, this one is called Navy Blue, a beautiful, gorgeous deep blue navy. And it is actually, it's hard to tell from here, but there's a slight metallic, it looks cream, but it has the very microscopic shimmer to it. It's very beautiful, very deep. In this beautiful nude called Back to Cali, it's a pure cream. It applies beautifully. I really like how this one goes on. I will have my 30% off code down in the description bar below, guys, so check that out. I do have my 30% off from Madam Glam. This other one that I'm showing you here, it's a coral, and it is called Dusty Coral, but wait until you see it. It is super bright. Look at that. Beautiful for summer. And this one is also a pure cream. It goes on gorgeous. Now, Madam Glam polishes do cure perfectly in 30 seconds under the LED lamp. Now I'm going over here with the perfect white because I'm about to test out this ink. They send me the black ink. There you can see the liquid. It's just a pure liquid that air dries, and the marble ink, or the clear ink for the marble effect, is just pure clear, so you can here's the swatches of all the colors. And I have the white here in, which is where I'm going to apply the ink to do my design. And these are all actually completed with the gel top coat. So yes, I thought I would give this a try. Normally I have played with alcohol inks over a mattifying the color. This one I went ahead, I just got curious, and take a look. It works really well. I was happy with the effect. Of course, you keep playing with it until you're happy. You know, I felt like maybe I had some areas that were too much white. I wanted more of a grayish look, so I kept adding to it and then going back with the clear, just playing back and forth until you get the desired look. That's all. You really cannot go with this. Very fun to play with. So I'm really happy I got a chance to play with Madam Glam's inks as well. And there's the finished look, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Madam Glam for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.